Today we are going to make a Tactical Deluxe Utility Kilt. To start the manufacturing procedure, we need some basic instruments and items like fabric, thread, a sewing machine, scissors, pins, a measuring tape, ruler, buttons, eyelets, and buckle. In the first step, we select the navy blue fabric and cut it according to the customer size, which they select. Now we make a front apron. After that, we cut the panels to make pleats. We pin the pleats and stitched pleats across the top to secure from inside the kilt. In the second step, we cut the khaki fabric to make flap pockets. Then we stitch them on both sides to carry small items. After completing this, we cut small khaki loops and sewn them on the waist area. In the third step, we take a khaki strap with eyelets on the right side and attach it with buckles. Then we took a snap button and attached it to the front apron for a modern look.